Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to create a vintage story server and join it. Firstly, let's go ahead and create the server. Head to Server.pro and then press create service. At the top here, make sure you select the game to vintage story. Once you're all done with that, press create for the server to start its generation process. You can monitor its state in the console of the dashboard as well if you'd like. You'll know the server has started up if you see the following. Dedicated server now running on port 42420 and all IPs. What we have to do next is connect to the server itself. For that, copy our hostname and then go ahead and open up your vintage story game. I've now opened up my vintage story game. All you have to do is head to multiplayer and click add server, paste the IP address and then put a colon following the port as shown earlier in your console. Once that's done, add the server to your list and then double click to join. It should take only a little bit to join and then you should be loaded all in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!